Hey y'all, welcome to my channel where the branding is dramatic lip syncing and never knowing if our camera's in focus. Happy October! Because it's October, I will be doing October videos. You know, kind of get spooky. Today's look is going to be a little TATE LANDGON skeleton. A lot of people do skeletons for Halloween, but I don't know, I just like that one in particular. Although the circumstances of him wearing that look were unfortunate. If you watched Murder House, you know. Yeah, I'm excited to do some kind of like different videos, kind of challenge myself a little bit. You could probably notice iPhone camera quality because my camera broke. But you know, I couldn't miss out on an October video, so you have to bear with me. I don't know when that's going to be fixed. But at least, hey, this way, you know, our camera's in focus. So, yeah, let's get into it. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and insert a photo of what I'm trying to go for so that those of you who don't watch American Horror Story, you can kind of see what I'm going for. And, yeah, so I have this cream makeup kit that I got a little bit ago, so probably be using that very heavily. And so if you look at the photo, his eyebrows look pretty blocked out. I think that's probably just because he has light eyebrow hair, but since mine are kind of dark, I will be blocking them out. I will be going in with this glue stick and I will start gluing my eyebrows down. So now we're gonna let that dry down a little bit, and I guess we're going to get started on the eyes. For the eyes, I will probably just be priming them as usual with concealer. I'm gonna take away some of the shyness a little bit because I have like slightly oily eyelids. I'm gonna put it pretty high up because like the blackness is pretty like far up to like his eyebrow. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. And while I'm like doing my makeup, I'm going to try not to make too many like facial expressions that use my eyebrows, because what we don't want is for them to start lifting. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some setting powder on the brows. I'm gonna set our under eye area. So what I think I'm going to do for the eyes is I'm going to probably outline the shape first with liquid eyeliner, and then we're going to see, and then maybe go on with the cream makeup, and we might even go on top of that with black eyeshadow. We'll see how it goes. Just going to be dusting this off now. Now time to conceal the brows. Since my brows are dark, I kind of want to like let the concealer set there for a little bit so that it can have like the most coverage before I blend it out. So I'll just be using this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and I'll just be attempting to line the shape of the eye. I do have like a picture set up on a laptop here for reference, since obviously I can't use my phone. like, you know, like when like your eye kind of goes down right there, I'm trying to follow that shape to know like where to draw the circle. That looks closer to even now. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend out our brows. I have these little sponges right here that I'll be using. Not really covering the brows too much, but what I think I'll probably end up doing is just making them white as opposed to completely blacked out. Or maybe it's because I used a light concealer. I don't know. So let's try using a different shade of concealer and we're gonna see how this goes. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's working any different. I feel like I should have used like red concealer under it first since my eyebrows are dark. And then I'm just gonna try setting them again. Yeah, this is not working out well. I'm gonna try to just add a little bit of product on them. And like I said, just make them light. So I have this brow powder palette, and there's probably just use the lighter shade in there, just add something so it doesn't look like pure concealer. A patch test on this to see if you're allergic to it. I didn't do that, so well, you know, I don't have many allergens, so living on the edge. Try to blend this out a little bit. Okay, this stuff is a little bit patchy, so what we're going to do is then go in with some black eyeshadow to kind of matte it up. And the best black eyeshadow in my arsenal is Obsidian from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. Is anyone watching American Horror Story? If you watch it, are you up to date? What do you think about the new season? And what is your favorite season? I think some of my favorite seasons, definitely Murder House, Asylum, Coven, and Freak Show are all of my favorite, which are kind of like all in a row, but I do think that like the earliest seasons are the best ones. This is the most black eyeshadow I've ever used in my life. Never thought I'd have to use this much black eyeshadow, but I'm doing it for you guys. Now that that's done, he also has like a thing on his nose, so we're going to try to create that. As also, I'll be using the same outlining with eyeliner tactic and then going in with the cream face paint. Okay, so now we're going to need to go in and start doing the face makeup. There's this semi-white face paint I thing, so we're just gonna try to use that. And honestly, it doesn't have to be a complete like coverage, but just to kind of make our skin look pale a little bit. So that's what we're going to go with. And we're just gonna go ahead and pile it on and then start blending it out. Blend away. Oh my god, this is so scary. I'm pretty sure a lot of the stuff is going to like dry out pretty fast, so we're gonna try to blend as fast as we possibly can. Okay, so this is definitely took 51 layers. This definitely makes me look pretty ashy. I feel like this is more Papa Legba than it is Tate Landon. Again, if you watch American Horror Story, you don't know what I'm talking about. It just makes me look ashy. Okay, but hopefully we're just going to go in with some setting powder, try to fix this situation a little bit, and we're going to see how that goes. I feel like it probably would have worked out better if I would have gotten like some like white concealer in. Tried to see if that was like going to work. But I feel like once we have all the special little things on it, like the little lines and designs and things like that, it'll look a lot better. We're gonna take this eyeliner and we're going to start doing the nose, which I really don't feel like will be too difficult. It's basically just like a triangle a little bit. So I'm kind of making a marker and then just kind of like tracing around the shape of the nose. We have the outline done. Now we'll be going back in with the black face paint. Now we're going back in with the black eyeshadow. Okay, that was easy. I definitely look scary. Now we're going to go in with the more intricate details, which is the mouth area. I had some lip balm on before that. What I think I'll try to do is probably try to black out my lips a little bit, and yeah, we'll go from there. Now, I'm not sure, it being around my mouth, I'm not sure I'm too comfortable with, so I feel like I'm going to use on the lips actual lipstick, and then probably everywhere else I'll just go back in with like the black paint and stuff. So I have this little detailer brush, and that will be what I will be using to do the lip design. So basically it's just teeth kinda, so I'm going to make a line down the middle of my lips, and it goes all the way up to like the cupid's bow. And yeah, I think I'll just make the lines first and then kind of like connect them. Okay. Now that we got that done, it kind of just like gets smaller to get to here. And the teeth go all the way to like right about here, so I'm just gonna set markers on both sides of my cheeks. Yeah, I'm just kind of like lining up the humps, and then I'm going to collect them with the lines. Now, we definitely want our cheekbones to come out, so it's more like skeleton-y. So I'm going to attempt to still do some contouring. Probably just gonna only use a darker shade because I want to make sure that it doesn't really look too warm. And I'll probably just go in with that a little bit, and then the rest contour with black. And you know the drill, we're going in with that obsidian from the ABH Prism palette. You'll see like he doesn't have actual contouring in the show, but his cheekbones, I guess, are just like good, so it's still like, there's like, you know, you get that skeleton like high cheekbone thing. We're actually pretty close to being done. So we're going to do, oh shoot, there's stuff around his eyebrows, I didn't realize that. Okay, so I just now noticed that there was like markings around his eyebrows, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And so now I'm going to try to do this little thing, so it kind of goes like that a little bit, and then so I guess that would be kind of like the jaw a little bit. Okay, so the last step, I feel like we need to still deepen up the jawline a little bit, so I'm still gonna go in with like some of that same eyeshadow and go in on our jawline. And that seems like the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Click the notification bell down below to keep up with when I post. Let me know if you like that new intro and outro. And I will see you next time.